Fresa Technologies Inc. is an independent, neutral, and professional software company providing solutions for freight forwarding and shipping industries. And one of our services is Fresa Warehouse Automatic Measurement. Let's find out about Fresa Warehouse Automatic Measurement. Why do we need QR code in warehouse? QR codes are applied to products as a means of quick identification. In warehouses to track inventory, and on invoices to assist in accounting, among many other uses. Benefits of scanning QR code: fast and accurate capture of data, reduces paperwork, reduced chance of errors, and productivity measurement. In logistics, booking is a customer's request to reserve goods, storage, space, or services provided by various suppliers. In EFM, we can book the shipment with required details like client name, ETA, ETD, arrival and departure, etc. After booking confirmation, the truck person collects the cargo from customers using this booking confirmation report. After receiving the cargo from the customer, let's watch how the ACS process is being implemented in the warehouse. What is ACS? ACS is an automatic cargo scanning. The processes of cargo received entry are CFS Warehouse, cargo received entry, shipment number, pallet details, print cargo label, and QR generated. Now let's see how it works on the application. After the booking confirmation, cargo selects for the CFS warehouse. Now click the cargo received entry and enter shipment number. Here enter all the details of pallets, then click the print cargo label button. Now the QR code has been generated successfully for each pallet and stick to it. Traditional methods of measuring products, packages, and pallets using tape and ruler have their limitations. Why do we need an automated dimension process? To avoid time-consuming and workforce-intensive, prone to errors, causing delays and damages, expensive due to rising quality costs, the hindrance to workforce productivity. At present, the utilization of the automated dimensioning process and weighing systems have come a long way. However, before adopting these metal or Toledo weighing systems, measuring small, medium, and large-sized boxes with tape and rulers has become burdensome since manual measurements are often prone to inaccuracies that end up spending in pointless shipping charge packs. Therefore, deploying cubing and weighing systems is key to enhancing warehouse performance and throughout the supply chain. Using this metal or Toledo weighing system, we can measure all dimension of cargo and collect the details by scanning QR code that is sticked on pallets. Now, we can see all the details in CSV files. By clicking the Update EFM button on the scanned file list, all the details will be updated on EFM. Before loading the cargo into the container, we need to update on container loading porting. Now let's see how it's worked on the application. In EFM, go to the CFS Warehouse and click Container Label Print. Here enter the console number and click on the print label in the container details. After submission, the container label will be visible and sticked on the container. While loading the cargo into a container, scan the QR code on container loading, then the system will get the all details of the cargo and show the summary page. By clicking the Update button, all details of the cargo will be uploaded to the system. Hope now this explainer video has been understood. For more inquiries, kindly reach out to www.fresatechnologies.com at sales@fresatechnologies.com. Thank you for watching this video.